Hello and welcome to the Unity Fire and Safety Platform introduction. In this short video we will show you how to access your digital platform and give you a quick overview of how it works. To get started, you will receive a welcome pack. This pack contains a few simple slides designed to guide you through the process of accessing the platform and using the services available to you. One of the most important slides is slide 3. Here, you will find links that allow you to access the platform login page, along with your login details. You will also find links to download the mobile app depending on whether you are using Android or iOS. This allows you to access the platform from your phone or tablet. Once you log in for the first time, we strongly recommend that you change your password immediately to keep your account secure. Please also remember that your login details should never be shared, as the platform manages important operational data. During your free pilot trial, our team will be available to support you and answer any questions you may have. After logging in, you will arrive at the Unity Fire and Safety dashboard. On this page, you will see a range of customized icons that provide quick access to the different services and digital processes available to you. We recommend that your first step is to open My Profile and complete your information. You can also upload a photo, change your password, and manage your access settings from this section. Depending on your user role, you may also have access to features such as maintenance reports, user groups, automated actions. For example, the platform can be used to manage assets such as fire equipment or vehicles, allowing you to track inspections and store important information digitally. The platform is also available on mobile devices. Using the links in your welcome pack, you can download the app onto your Android or Apple device. Once installed, simply log in using your credentials, and you will see a mobile version of the platform similar to the desktop view. We have also created a training environment, which allows users to practice using the system safely before going live. The mobile platform also supports offline use, meaning you can still complete processes even without an internet connection. To access your digital forms on mobile, simply open the menu and select the process you want to use. Many of the forms include visual diagrams or images. For example, during equipment inspections, you can place pins on specific parts of a diagram to record checks or issues. This visual design makes the process clear, simple, and easy to follow. Forms can also be organized into libraries or categories, such as hazmat or equipment inspections, making it easy to find what you need quickly. As part of the onboarding process, we recommend scheduling a short online training session with our team. This will allow us to guide you through the platform, answer any questions, and make any adjustments if needed. We also recommend reviewing your welcome pack and exploring the platform before the training session, so you can become familiar with how it works. We hope this overview has helped you understand how to access and navigate the Unity Fire and Safety platform. We look forward to working with you and supporting you throughout your pilot trial. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to your first workshop with us.